Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to use split screen on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So how to use split screen on iPhone? So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So how to use split screen on iPhone? So you have, first of all, you have open the App Store. So then you have install from App Store app. You have search split screen. So then you have a search split screen. Then you have second number option, so you have download on your iPhone split screen dial window. So then you have preview. Then you have seen split screen for several tasks. So then watch video while browsing social network. So then two webcasts at the same time, and then watch the news and share with friends. Landscape mode, then previews on split screen. So then how to use? So then you have open the split screen, same app I will seen you from App Store, same app. Then you have open your iPhone. So then you have use on your iPhone. So then waiting some seconds. So then you have split screen, two options show on your iPhone. So I will first screen Google, then second, then I open the YouTube. So then you have seen my iPhone, second, first browser Google, then second YouTube. So then I will choose my direction. So I will use two option split screen and use. So I will seen my iPhone split screen is 100% working my iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video, you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.